Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Apache HTTP Client Connection Management, a deep dive with code examples. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to connection management in Apache HTTP Client, building upon the core concepts and expanding with advanced techniques. We'll explore various strategies, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses, and illustrating each with practical code examples. The tutorial is structured to be accessible to both beginners and experienced developers. 1. Understanding the fundamentals. Apache HTTP Client is a powerful library for making HTTP requests. Efficient connection management is crucial for performance and scalability, especially in applications making numerous requests. Improper management can lead to resource exhaustion and slowdowns. Key concepts include connection pooling, reusing established connections instead of creating a new one for each request. This significantly reduces latency and overhead. Connection timeout, setting limits on how long a client waits for a connection to be established or a response to be received. This prevents indefinite blocking. Socket timeout, setting a timeout for data read/write operations on the socket. This prevents hanging requests. Connection keep alive, maintaining connections open for subsequent requests. This is the foundation of connection pooling. Connection close, explicitly closing connections when they are no longer needed to release resources. 2. Basic connection management with closable HTTP client. The simplest way to manage connections is using closable HTTP client, which, as the name suggests, handles resource cleanup automatically through its close method. While basic, it still provides advantages over creating new connections for every request. This example utilizes try with resources, ensuring the HTTP client and response are automatically closed, releasing associated resources. However, this doesn't explicitly manage the connection pool. 3. Advanced connection management with pooling HTTP Client Connection Manager. For fine-grained control, use pooling HTTP Client Connection Manager. This allows you to configure the maximum number of connections per route and overall. This example sets a maximum of 100 total connections and 20 connections per route, example per host. Adjust these values based on your application's needs and server capacity. 4. Setting timeouts. Timeouts are essential to prevent your application from hanging indefinitely. They can be set at various levels. Connection timeout, how long to wait for a connection to be established. Socket timeout, how long to wait for data to be read or written on the socket. This configures a 5-second connection timeout and a 10-second socket timeout. Adjust these values according to your application's requirements. 5. Handling connection exceptions. Network issues are inevitable. Proper exception handling is crucial. 6. Advanced configuration options. Pooling HTTP Client Connection Manager offers many more configuration options. Set max per route, int max, sets the maximum number of connections for a specific route. Close expired connections, closes idle connections that have expired. Close idle connections, long idle time millis, closes idle connections that have been idle for longer than the specified time. These methods are essential for managing resources effectively in long-running applications. Remember to call these methods periodically, example using a scheduled task, to keep your connection pool healthy. 7. Using a proxy. If you need to use a proxy server, you can configure it in your HTTP client builder. Remember to replace your _proxy_host and 8080 with your proxy server's address and port. Conclusion. Effective connection management is crucial for building robust and performant HTTP clients. Apache HTTP Client provides powerful tools to achieve this, ranging from simple closable HTTP client for basic usage to pooling HTTP client connection manager for fine-grained control and advanced configurations like timeouts and proxy settings. Remember to always handle exceptions appropriately and periodically clean up idle connections to prevent resource leaks. This tutorial has covered the essentials, allowing you to build sophisticated and efficient HTTP clients using Apache HTTP Client. Further exploration of the library's documentation will unlock even more advanced features.